What's going on? Michael Petty here. So I got a question for you. What if you can make $2,000 commissions once a month, maybe twice a month? What would that do for your income? How would that change your life? 1 or 2 sales a month of $2,000 commissions. That's $2,000 or $4,000 per month. And you're only making 2 sales, 1 or 2 sales. So how are we gonna make these sales? Invitation. You invite people by cutting on the camera, telling people, click the link down in the description, and you're going to get the information. Pages that collects the person's name and email and possible phone number, already done for you. Okay. Email campaign is going to follow up with your people through email and do the selling for you. Presentation done for you. There's a video presentation ready to go. A call center. If your prospects have questions, your prospects will call that number and the company will call your people back if they leave a voicemail, right? Or they'll answer the phone, they'll talk with someone directly. That person will answer your prospects' questions so you don't have to. They will close the sale and send you the commission. Now back to driving the traffic. Videos, okay? You don't like doing videos. Maybe you can do a value post. Either putting your link directly in the post or put it in the first comment of that post. Because you're going to have people that's going to click the link. If you don't want to do social media, maybe you don't have time for all that. You know, you can drive traffic. Okay, there's a source in my copy and paste swap file, which you're going to get for free. In the email, I'm going to send you an email that's going to give you the copy and paste file free. It's a link in there called MLM Leads. MLM Leads is a traffic source that works with Exitus Elite. And Exitus Elite is the company I'm talking about. Right? So MLM Leads is one of the best sources. It's in the back office of Exitus Elite and it's also in my copy and paste swap file. So you're going to purchase traffic. If you have a budget, you know, maybe a weekly budget. Let's say you want to start off slow. Start off with $50 a week. Okay? Get traffic. Give this source of traffic your link. It's easy to set up. You're going to see how it's done when you get over there. Let that company run traffic to your link. The link you want to give them is your lead capture page link. So you pay for traffic, okay? Exitus Elite, like I said, has lead capture page, autoresponder, sales video, and a call center. So the person click on your link. These are the type of leads with MLM Leads to where people are directly looking for opportunities, like banner links. That means when a person's sitting at their computer, they click on the link and they see your capture page, right? That's a hot link. They mean they are actively looking for an opportunity. So they click it and they go to your link. If they like what they see, they enter their name, email address, and possible phone number. They're going to see the presentation. Now, when you get in the back office, you're going to have to activate the call center. And I highly suggest creating a bridge page. This if you're doing paid traffic. Create a bridge page telling people why you're looking for an online business. Like me personally, I don't want to get a second job. Okay, I don't want to get a second job. Right now, I'm outside my home. I'm a homebody. My son there playing video games. My wife in there on the Zoom with her business that she's doing. You know, so when I go back, I can go after this video, I'm gonna go back in the house and chill, throw my feet up, post this video on YouTube, post it on Facebook, edit it, of course. And it's gonna live on the internet for me. It's gonna constantly work for me. See, videos is powerful because they work 24/7. Like right now, as you see in this video right now, I could be asleep, I could be at work, it could be days later, it could be a month later, it could be 3 months later, who knows, could be a year later. You know, it's like with enough content out there, it's like you working 24/7. 24/7. And if you have your own autoresponder, okay, like this video, I'm gonna take this video and I'm gonna write an email and I'm gonna send it to my list. Very, very simple, so they can see this thing. So they can see just how simple I keep it. I don't like to do nothing that's hard. I don't like to do nothing difficult. I want to do something that majority of people, even if you're brand new, I like to use those type of strategies. Anybody can cut on a video and tell them why they got started in online business. You know, why you got started. What did you looking for? You want to be rich? Hey, I came online. I want to make $10,000 a month. I can't do that on a job. Just be honest. There's other people that feel the same way you feel. Okay? It's simple. If you keep it simple, if you keep it simple, the more people can say, I can do that. And when you got people seeing and saying to themselves, I can do that, pretty much got them. You may not have them right now, you may not have them today, but if you stay in contact and you continue doing, simple strategies, showing the simplicity, that when you get a result, share the result. Okay, when you make a sale, share the sale. You don't have to show the dollar amount. Just say, hey, listen, I made a sale. You're going to get an email. When you make a sale, you're going to get that email. Take a screenshot of the email. When you post on the video, post it in the corner of your video. Okay, when you do an email, just send a screenshot of that email and send it to them. You don't have to convince anybody who's looking for an opportunity. And we're not in the convincing business. That's not what we're here to do. We're here to tell people how we feel about our business. Like Exitus Elite, I am 100% home. There's nothing else out there for me to look at. No need. Okay, I use Power Lead System, which is the backbone of anything I promote online. My copy and paste file was made through there. My capture page is made through Power Lead System. My sales page for Exitus Elite was made with Power Lead System. So Power Lead System and Exitus Elite. Those are my two homes. There ain't nothing else. There's nothing else out there I'm going to promote. Done until they close their doors. Or if they ever close. Listen, Power Lead System 10 years, Exitus Elite 9 years. They stood the test of time. They're here to stay. So if they're here to stay, then I'm here to stay. Period in the story, right? So if you have to convince someone, then they are not really looking for an opportunity. I was looking for an opportunity like Exitus Elite. I came across Exitus Elite and I said, boom, that's what I'm looking for. And I jumped in. I didn't talk to nobody. I didn't talk to my sponsor until after I joined, right? Think about that for a minute, because I was looking. One of the team bonuses that we have inside of Exitus Elite, besides my copy and paste swap file, I got a one-on-one bonus training. We got a mega swap file, the 6-figure content. We got 3 generational bonus training, which is a 6-figure earner showing you the secrets and the insights on making $2,000 commissions over and over again. Okay, you're going to get added to our team private chat with over 50 people inside this chat. You ask your questions. It's ongoing in training, ongoing information and ongoing training that you're going to receive. You get a vacation voucher from the company. And I got an additional team bonus that I'm going to share with you. If you decide to send me an email, send me a text, say, hey, Mike, what is that additional bonus? I'll let you know. Okay. But just keep things simple. You ain't got to do nothing hard. You ain't got to be fancy. It ain't got to be perfect. I like doing videos like this because, it's simple. I like being outside, just have my phone. I got my phone sitting on top of my car. You know what I'm saying? I'm just standing out here and I'm having a conversation with you, right? Just out here having a conversation with you. This is how simple it absolutely can be. You know what I'm saying? And I can make a $2,000 commission from this video because I'm going to put it out there on the internet. Someone going to see it. Someone going to say, cool, I like that. That makes sense. Just keep things simple, right? If you want to find out how you can make those $2,000 commissions, click on the link down in the description. You're going to be brought to my capture page I made personally. You're going to see my sales page that I made personally, right? And these 2 pages, I can give you a share code, which you can take these 2 pages and you can do whatever you want to them. You can actually use them and it'll be coded to you on the sales page. Of course, you want to change some of the links to make sure they're added to you so they're going to you. Right? You want to take my copy and paste swap file and change it, call it your copy and paste file, add a picture, whatever, free to do. In Power Lead System, there's a share code where you can put this code in your back office and all the pages I made and I created will instantly be in your back office. So you can use them, you can edit them, whatever. That's Power Lead System. So listen, I'm going to have both links in the bottom, matter of fact, because Power Lead System is perpetual leverage. That means whenever someone makes a sale anywhere on your team, you're going to make a commission. So you're going to make money on sales you don't even make with Power Lead System. But it don't beat Exitus Elite. Talk about a $2,000 commission that's instant and direct. Meaning, if I was to join you, if I paid $2,000 to the product, that's going directly in your pocket and you are able to spend it immediately. There's no waiting on your money with Exitus Elite. We get to pick how we get paid. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Afterpay is coming. That's the thing. Got Wise, Walmart to Walmart. When it comes to earning money and making commissions, nothing gonna be Exitus Elite. and it fits everybody's budget. We talking about $100. At the lowest, $149 to get started. At the top level is $23.99 is the max you're going to pay. And another thing that's good is if you decide to start off at the $149 level, you want to upgrade, you only go pay the difference from level to level. Only going to pay the difference. So the max you're going to pay is $23.99. You're all in, you're done, and you earn an unlimited $2,000 commission that the company actually is going to help you make. So you don't even have to do the sale. If you want to buy the traffic, you just constantly run traffic, make sure you do that bridge page. The reason I say do that bridge page is because people join people, right? They're going to have to see you and hear you. That's very, very important. But run traffic. Let the system do 90% of the work, and you receive majority of the money. You can't beat that. My name is Uncle Patty. I want to appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next video.